how to make a chicken sandwich, but this is not any chicken sandwich. This is something traditional that my mom taught me how to make it, okay? So, for this recipe, we're gonna need some tomatoes, the cutting board, some mayo, butter, the media cream, some bread. We're gonna need a chicken breast, lettuce, basil, red pepper, a deep pan, and a fried pan. Okay? So these are our utensils and our ingredients for today. So let's gonna start. Okay, so now our first step for this recipe is to start to cook the chicken breast. Okay, so we're gonna use the deep pan and I'm gonna put the chicken breast here. Okay, then we're going to start to cut the parsley. You can use the amount that you decide that you want. That depends of how much you like it, okay? And also we're going to cut the red pepper, okay? In small pieces, okay? And then I will come back with you. After the chicken was cooked, I shred the chicken by my hands. But remember, you have to wait until the chicken is cold, okay? You see here, I already cut the red pepper in little pieces, squares, and I already cut the parsley, okay? So now we're gonna fry the red pepper in butter, okay? So we're gonna use we're gonna add one spoon of butter, and we're gonna fry the red pepper on the pan, okay? So let's gonna mix here the butter, and then we're gonna add the red pepper in the butter. Okay, and it's here fried. Okay, now the red pepper is fried, and then we're gonna add the parsley, and we're gonna mix here. Then we're gonna add the chicken. Okay, so after you mix the chicken, after you add the chicken, you're gonna mix everything, okay? So the chicken with the red pepper and the parsley. Then we're gonna add 2 spoons of mayo. But remember, if you decide to use more mayo, it's okay. In this case, I'm just gonna use 2. 1, 2, and maybe a little more. How about 3 in this case? Okay? So let's gonna use 3 and then we mix it, okay? So we're gonna mix all the chicken with the mayo, the parsley and the red pepper. Okay? So you mix it and mix it and mix it. Now, after you mix the chicken with the mayo, you're gonna add the media cream. Okay? So let's gonna add the media cream here. And you are gonna mix again. Everything you are gonna mix it. Okay, all the chicken with everything. Okay, guys. So remember, you have to make this under supervision with your parents. Okay, now you're gonna add salt, the chicken, and then remember, you need to try how is the taste, okay? Okay, now that we already add the salt and the chicken is done, we're gonna make the sandwiches. So here I already cut the tomatoes in slices and we have the lettuce here. So here is my bread, the slices, and let's gonna make the sandwiches. If you wanna toast your bread, you can do it. In this case, I did it. So I'm gonna use these slices. If you see, it's toast, already toast, and I'm gonna make the sandwiches with this bread. Okay. So here are the slices of bread. Now I'm gonna take one leaf of lettuce, and I'm gonna put some chicken here on the sandwich, on the lettuce, making the sandwich. You decide how much you wanna eat. Okay. So I wanna eat something else, a little more. Okay, because I really love this sandwich. And then one slice of tomato and you close. And that is my sandwich. And I hope that you like, I hope that you enjoy. And remember, this is a recipe from my family. Okay? Bye guys!